What's going down, people? My name's Jack. Welcome back to another video. Today we're jumping into how much money I made from getting 1.5 million views on YouTube, and we're going to be doing it all. My name's Jack. I produce weekly, daily even content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe if that sounds interesting to you. Today we're going to talk about how much I made from 1.5 million views. How much money was generated after my most viewed video of all time, this video on screen, the top 3 best free video editing software of 2019. In the past 4 months, it's gotten 1,600 views. My bad. You see, I'm totally out of the loop of even having million as a possibility. In my mind, I just stated that to you as 1,500, but it's 1,600,000 views. So obviously that's, it's over 1.5 million. I'm sorry, I planned this video a week ago, 2 weeks ago, I don't know. So the views have gone over 1.5 million in the past week, so it's slightly over, right? But not fully. And we're gonna break down exactly how much I made. I'm gonna put it on screen, and also I have a graphic, which is something that I found it in a PewDiePie video. I was watching a PewDiePie video one time, and he just put it up on screen, and I was like, holy shit, this looks so valuable, this graphic, and I'd never seen it promoted anywhere before, and it's actually how much the cost per click is per keyword. So that plays a factor in me getting this amount of money for this amount of views, and some people might not get this amount of money for this amount of views, or other creators might get much more money than this for the same amount of views, because it's all about the topics you're touching on in your videos. Those are obviously the monetized keywords revolving around the video, right? So without further ado, I've talked enough. Let's get into it. On screen is the amount of views I got, or at least the amount that's registered on my analytic page. 1,597,000 views, 916. Huge. The graph looks crazy. And next to it, this amount of views got me $6,000, $724.99. $6,724.99 for 1,597,000 views, 916. Jesus, these numbers are a little bit too big for me. That's the reality of the situation, hence me not being able to articulate them properly. But without further ado, like I've said a few times now, we're just going to keep going, essentially. So this right here is exactly how much I was paid for 1.5 million views. Great. Now, even though that's the title, that's not even the main thing I want to get to in this video, and that's not the main thing that's going to provide value to you in this video, which is crazy because obviously that's the reason you clicked on the video. This graphic on screen is the main thing I want to go over in this video right now, and this graphic is the cost per clicks, which are associated to different categories on YouTube, right? So I'm just going to pull this up as well, right, on my screen. And you could see that this is just a whole bunch of different keywords on the left-hand side and the cost per clicks on the right-hand side. And this I'm actually going to turn into a strategy video, straight up. So I've just showed you how much money I make. If that was why you clicked on the video, later, see in a bit, now we've gotten you out the way. But this is where the real value is provided here, and that's this document right here. If you're a video creator and you're a content creator in general, and you're wondering maybe why your videos aren't getting a certain amount of money per click, or you're not getting as much as this YouTube friend you know about, or you're getting far more than a YouTube friend you know about, something like that, this is why. It's all about the keywords, and I think this is pretty crucial because if you see on keywords, even close to the bottom of this list, software is there, and the cost per click per click is $35.29 for software. Now, my video is the top 3 best free video editing software of 2019. Software is literally in the title. The whole video revolves around software. It is easily a keyword software video. So, hence why, the money is very considerable. There's certain YouTubers, if we compare the actual CPM, right? So I got about 1.6 million views, right? And I got nearly $7,000 because of that. Literally $300 under $7,000, right? There's certain creators that for that 1.5 million views would have gotten $1,500 because they only have maybe like $1 CPM. There's also some YouTubers who might have gotten $3,000, so still under half what I got because they got a $2 CPM. Now, the CPM for software videos, or I guess the most accurate thing we have here is the cost per click, is $35.29. So $35.29, which actually results in you getting a CPM of about $5 or something like that, right? That's at least what I get on my screen. It's around $5, right? So what $5 means is if you get 1,000 views, or $5 CPM means is if you get 1,000 views, you're getting about $5, right? For $455. So if you get a million views, you're getting about $5,000. You get about 1.6 million views, you're getting about $7,000, right? So I think it might just be under a $5 CPM actually. But this graphic that I have on screen, right, the cost per click graphic, is something that if I was you, I would save this. I screenshotted this straight from PewDiePie's video. I don't even know how many fucking months ago it was, but I couldn't believe PewDiePie isn't really that much of an analytical kind of YouTuber. So the fact he put this on the screen, I forget what he was even referencing it because of, but I screenshotted it right away, straight out of his video. This isn't like a Google image thing. I fucking Geizo and I drew a little box around his video and I saved a screenshot from it because I think this is such a powerful graphic that you've got right here. Where if you reference this, you can literally just increase the amount of money that your videos are making. Now, obviously, this is also super powerful for somebody who doesn't know what type of content they want to make. Shout out to my little brother. Whether he does it or not, he's he's doing a lot of trading and stuff like that. He's considering doing some trading videos potentially. Trading is on here. I can now tell Josh if he comes to me about that, and I think I did. I literally did the other day, and I referenced this graphic. It said trading, you do good because you're going to make considerable money making those videos. Likewise, I watch a guy called Graham Stephan. Literally, some of you will probably know about him. I tune into his videos every now and then. He talks very openly about the amount of money he makes from YouTube, and he makes way more money than I make. He's making about $100,000 a month at the moment, only for getting about 7.5 million views, and he's making like $100,000 a month, 1.2 million a year, just off of AdSense revenue, and it's because he makes lots of videos on loans, on mortgages, on insurance, on credit. These are the top possible cost per click keywords. And the fact that I have this graphic in front of me and I'm able to show it to you as well, guys, is powerful. So any YouTubers who kind of began watching this video, I assume you guys are watching this still right now and maybe reconsidering the type of content you make. I'm kidding. That's definitely not the motive of this video at all. Personally, even though fucking insurance is at the top, I'm not about to start making insurance videos, you know what I mean? These are cool reference points as in, okay, maybe if I could think of if topics come to me based around credit, insurance, loans, mortgage, attorneys, somehow that's based around video production, maybe I'll incorporate it. But in no way am I going out of my way to create fucking lawyer videos now, right? I'm not going to do it. But it's very interesting to have this as a frame of reference to actually, incorporate this into certain stuff. But for people starting off from a ground level, this could be a very easy thing to kind of, navigate around essentially. And you could see, okay, what's going to pay me well, what's not going to pay me well. A little insight on me as a creator on YouTube. I've been creating videos here on YouTube forever. Like, well, for you that doesn't mean enough. For me, it's pretty much forever. It's about like eight plus years here on YouTube, right? And gaming was the thing I got big for first. That's right. This isn't my first time getting big on YouTube. When I was 15 years old, I was big for gaming. I originally blew up to like just under 100,000 subscribers on the same channel actually, and then reinvented the channel a couple years later, right? When I got bored and stopped it for a while. But my gaming CPM was not even $1 per 1,000 views. So the fact that, this right here, right? I got 1.6 million views on this video and it generated me nearly $7,000, $6,700, right? This video right here might not have even generated me $1,500 on gaming. So that goes back to the cost per click. There's certain audiences, there's certain markets which are more valuable. They're literally just more valuable than others, and obviously that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense from a marketing perspective, from just a market perspective in terms of, insurance. Obviously, that's going to be worth more per click because people are literally purchasing something opposed to gaming, which is, mostly children who can't really action, they can't really give any money, you know what I mean? And they don't really have any money to give at the end of the day, So obviously the audience of insurance, loans, mortgage, attorneys is going to be worth more. It's standardly. That's just how it is. But that right there is overall this particular video. Why did this video do so good? That's another key reason, right? That I want to just touch on quick. This particular video did super good for a couple reasons. First reason, it's over 10 minutes, right? So this particular video is over 10 minutes. Over 10 minutes is a recipe here on YouTube that if your video is over 10 minutes, the watch time counts for more. Overall, it just does better. I don't know all the bullet points, but I know that if there was one big bullet point, it would be 10-minute video equals better performance. That would be the fucking oversimplified graph, right? So that's a factor here. My video was over 10 minutes, the top 3 best free video editing software. Also, SEO. The SEO was super good. If you type in, free video editing software, if you type in video editing software, it's the top result, So if you type in free video editing software, it's the top result. I think if you just type in video editing software, I'm doing it live while I do this, it's the top result. So my SEO strategy was good. Now, the SEO is literally simple. Just watch a couple of videos on SEO. I'm not even doing SEO to the full extent. I doubt. I mean, if I am, SEO is fucking literally the most simple shit in the world. Keywords, basically. Just throw a whole bunch of keywords in there, right? Top 3 best free video editing software. Free video editing software is already a trending hashtag, trending key phrase or whatever, right? So I tapped into a couple things here. Those obviously all play a factor. And overall, that's enabled me to get 1.6 million views in 6 months and generate just under $7,000 from that video. I've gained a lot of, let's find out quickly how many subscribers quick. I'm gonna end this video in a second, guys, but let's see how many total subscribers. I've gained 27,000 subscribers from this video alone. This one video, right? 27,000. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. With that note, I'm ending it up, guys. Thank you for tuning into the video. I appreciate you guys for watching another video here on my channel. If it was the first video you've ever watched here on my channel, I produce daily content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe now if that sounds interesting to you. Take it easy.